All right, let's try this as a recording. Here it is, the Hebrew hammer. As done by T. Mark Graham. I've been trying different slings on it. So let's try. This is a butt stop wrapping sling. This goes around the buttstock, but it's really, really uncomfortable. I had an AK sling on here that so far is my favorite, but I got this thing, an M1 Garand sling. So the way this is supposed to work, I think, is you clip it on back here, and then you run it through front up here. Like so. There we go. Now, the thing that was bothering me is when you carry it in your neck position, the sling goes up like this. The AK one, with a little leather piece on there, did this quite well. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So put this thing as far out as it'll go. So now I was seeing pictures of these. Wait a minute, I don't have that right. I kind of like how this thing unclips off the back. Oh, huh. So I think this should go the other way. Like so. Maybe. And then back to here. Flip it on. Get this as far as it'll go. It's still going to be too short. Oh, God, yeah. Yeah, it's not going to work at all. So, I'm going to go back to what I had on here originally, an AK sling. So this I can put on my actual Garand. Now, although I have a nice leather sling on that right now. Now, what's nice about the AK sling is it's got these, these leather tabs. So the leather tabs let you. So the leather tabs make it easy for you to run it, pulling like this. Doesn't really bother them to go like that. I mean, this wasn't really period correct. But you know what? I'll bet you a lot of money that FALs had AK slings on them at some stage of the game. All right, this has got to be turned around. I've seen fouls with the Garand slings with that butt stop wrap sling. No pictures so far. No pictures so far of it with the AK, but I want to go with what works. There we go. Now what I was saying was is when this is in this position here, you see how the leather tab works very nicely pulling like that. And of course the front is okay. I suppose if for aesthetics I could run the this through here. You know what? Screw it. This will work. All right. That's my sling.